We've arrived at another exciting portion of our Python class, which is file input and output. And let's talk a little bit about what this means in Python. Up until now, most of what we've programmed has stored information in memory. As our Python program executes, it contains information in memory, such as variables and data. And then once the program ends, all that information, either gathered from the user or generated by the program, is gone. File input output is the ability of a program to take a file as input or create a file as output or modify a file. And this enables us to have this persistence after our program ends. Our data can be stored on our computer disk, which is a very valuable thing. And there's other ways to do this, which we'll get into later in the course, such as using databases. We've already talked a little bit about file input and output with JSON, but this is a method that's not JSON formatting, but that can be used with any kind of input and output, storing in our files. So we're going to learn in this section the basics of reading and writing files, different file modes in Python. What that means to say is, are we reading a file in? Are we writing a file out? Are we adding to a file, etc.? Handling files with the with context manager, which is just a better way of using files in Python. Python does that a little cleaner for us. And we're going to talk about working with file paths, locations of files on our operating system. So this will open up some new doors and opportunities for some cool projects. And I'm excited to get into this with you. Let's get started.